Winter is coming and it's citrus season. In today's video, I am going to show you how to prepare pomelo peanut salad and pork cooked with pomelo.
So good.
The region I am from is known for its oranges and other citrus fruits and is cultivated here commercially, all organic and sun-ripe.
These fruits are as big as my face. You should just draw like a smiley. No one will even find the difference. It's me! Can I just pluck this? It looks ripe, right? I might need a knife for this. Oh no, I don't. Haha. This looks nice and ripe. This one too, not bad. Just need to wash it up. Let's go. It's pretty heavy, I think. This bad boy has a really tough skin. I have to get through it before we can get cooking. So where do I even start? I hope that's enough. I hope it's sweet. This is the first time that I'm having it from this tree, and there's so many varieties of this kind of citrus. There's a smaller version, a little, it's sort of pear shaped. We call it chambal, which is the pomelo, and that is supposed to be really sour that even the kids from this village don't eat it. It's like peeling a really thick skinned orange. Ooh. Look at how thick this is, and they actually eat this in China. I was watching this YouTuber who made a dish out of the skin of a pomelo, and it was very interesting. She actually made candies out of it, so maybe if I have some time I will try that. But now what you need to do is try and remove these sponge like things if possible, otherwise just cut into it, because what you will be using is basically the insides of the pomelo for the dish. For now I am just going to be throwing this away. I will try with a lot more other fruits back there, so yeah. So let me try and rip this. Oh my god. Oh. So, wow, the seeds are really huge. Let me see if this is a sweet or sour one. Oh, sweet and tangy. It's just so sweet. I'm so glad the fruits from this tree turned out to be sweet. I'm just going to peel them. There are sweet and sour varieties of these, and I'm glad this one is sweet and it's so delicious. I'm just gonna eat some more. I just take Woo! It's hot. I should use them for the dish. Go home. Go home. Sky, go home. Go home. You'll get lost. Go.
Just a couple of weeks ago, Sky, the puppy with the black mouth, followed me and I was completely unaware of her following me. She couldn't catch up with me and lost her way. At night, during the feeding time, when she didn't turn up, we realized she was lost, and finally when Sunny found her in a stream, completely soaked, hanging onto a root, shivering uncontrollably and letting out soft moans. We thought we would lose her. God knows how long she was there in the cold stream. But she was a total champ and made it through with little care, and there she goes again, running all over the farm.
I am basically looking for the atom bombs that is somewhere there in the forest that is going to be used for the dish. So let's go. Oh my god, look at the chicken, he's destroying the plant. Shh, shh. These chickens are so annoying. We've just planted the lemongrass and they are totally destroying it. I don't know what they are doing. It's, I don't know, it's annoying. Oh my god, so many oranges have fallen. Oh, gone, gone.
That is the last orange tree that was planted by grandfather and is still standing. Most of the orange trees that he planted died away after his death, gradually replaced by these arecanut trees. We have new smaller ones planted by Mum, and they have just started fruiting. Since they are grown from seeds, it takes almost 10 years for them to start fruiting.
I think it's almost a kilo. I wonder how much this would cost in the market. Let's go. Hey! Shh. 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 Destroy my lemongrass. Not enough red ones. Mom just harvested them, no? Oranges and chili, what an amazing combination. They are like a match made in heaven.
We normally eat pomelo just like that with crushed
baby, you
bird's eye chili and salt.
So good.
I'm going to make a slightly complex version of it, for which you will need to roast a handful of perilla seeds or sesame, roast some peanuts, take out the outer covering and break them to halves. Fry some dry red chilies in little oil till they are crisp. Coarsely pound the roasted perilla or sesame and the crisp fried chilies. Finally chop a couple of garlic pods.
So for the garnish, I'm making use of peppermint. Normally you make use of pudina, mint leaves, but my patch of mint leaves got destroyed by my very active chicken. So I am making use of peppermint, which I think is a lot better. It smells amazing.
Mix all of the ingredients well in a bowl. And add some salt. And be very gentle with the pomelo, otherwise you might end up with a pomelo juice instead of salad. Taste and adjust the seasoning.
So good. This is absolutely delicious. the peanuts and the nuttiness of the peanuts and the sesame seeds go so well with the tanginess of the pomelo, and the mint just elevates the entire dish. It's so delicious. You must try this. So good. The mint is like a pop.
And for the pork dish, you'll need about 4 to 5 fresh green chilies. Cut them to small pieces and fry them in oil. Add in the pomelo and let it cook for a while. Salt to the dish, add the pork pieces, and as usual I'm using pre-cooked pork. Let it soak in a bit of flavor and let the water dry out a bit, and lo, your dish is ready. The dish has a slight bitter note to it at the end. To cut it down a bit, you can choose to add soy sauce. I like the way it is. Oh, and one of the ducks had started laying eggs, and I just discovered that Quacky-chan is a drake, and all this while I thought she was a girl. So much of pomelo is grown in the region that kids actually kick them around as football. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also hit the notification icon so that you get to know when I'm posting my next videos. And I'll see you next week with another exciting recipe and more interesting things from my farm. So bye bye, take care, stay safe, and go get some pomelo.